Hello my YouTube friend, this is Non-Mechanic here, and today I want to show how to install a Kidde smoke detector in your attic. I noticed all over my house I have a smoke detector and carbon monoxide, and the attic is the only one I don't have one. So I'm going to be installing this one right here. It says it has a 10-year battery, so I'm going to be installing it right here in the attic. It comes with the smoke detector, and it comes with the bracket for the back bracket, and it also comes with the the screws. So what I like to do is it'll tell you which side goes up. So I'm going to be installing it right here. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to mark it with a pen. Then I just take a little drill. I put a little tiny hole first. There you go. What you're going to do is just take your screws, put them right in there, in the little tiny hole you did. Gotta make sure that it's lined with the other hole over there. I should have just put this right in the middle. Right there. Put the other one in. Now that you have put both screws on, remember, the smoke alarm is not turned on in this kit until you turn it. So make sure this is nice and tight in there. Once it's tight, you see these little 3 clips right here? They're going to fall right, these 3 clips right here, they're going to fall right in here. So what you want to do is keep it up, and it tells you which way to rotate. That way is off, this way is on. It says it right in there. So you just put it right in and you turn it. And now it's on. Once you hear the click, that means it is on. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna see to we're gonna press it to see if it works. So it's working. Okay? There you go. So that's how you tell if it's working or not. You press it, and then to turn it off, you press it, but this Kidde smoke alarm will not turn on until you rotate it. Once you rotate it, that's how you know it's on. So this is how you install a Kidde smoke alarm in your attic. Once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.